take some comfort in that. I've had people that I know, even in the media, even not conservative media at all, people in all spheres of media, describing what the president did today as using children as a quote-unquote human shield, believe it or not. And I think that metaphor is appropriate. There is outrage with the children being exploited in this sort of fashion. That said, you strike me in the 120 seconds that we've known each other or so, Zach, you strike me as a man who, were you to become a father, you wouldn't let your children be used by a politician in this way. I have no concern for you, sir, that would happen with Zach and his fiancée and whatever children you may bring to life. I don't know that, I just don't think that's a serious concern for you.
No, it wouldn't be. I honestly, I would probably homeschool things like that, and I feel like, as who I am, I feel like I'm being attacked every day. Being a heterosexual Christian white male, and the fact is, on top of that, I work in the oil and gas industry in the fracking boom in Western Pennsylvania, and